Hi. Hey everybody, I'm with Sean Sheffler. He's at LGA and he is the current president of Pittsburgh AIA. So it's an honor to be here with him today. And just wanted to get Sean, your perspective on, tell us about Build Pittsburgh AIA. I know it was a venue switch from downtown to the Carpenter building. And talk to us just a little bit about when you started at Pittsburgh AIA as a president, and kind of the changes that you're implementing and what you see the future outlook.
Sure. So yes, as I am the president of AIA Pittsburgh this year, this is a big year for us. It's our 125th anniversary.
Yes.
So we've been talking about a few things for the past, maybe I'd say the past year or so leading up to the anniversary year.
Okay.
Revamping Build Pittsburgh, the event you're in right now, was one of those things. We were looking for a different venue, a venue that might be a little bit smaller, a little bit more intimate than the convention center.
Okay.
Compromise is we're a little bit further out of town, but the benefit, the pros to that are a facility that allows us to do some hands-on training, to really lean into the build part of Build Pittsburgh, do some hands-on mock-ups with some wall flashings and build a masonry wall. We could never have done that at the convention center.
Yes.
So it's been a great opportunity to lean into what the building really offers to us and do a completely different type of programming this year than we've ever done in the past.
Yes. There's been several people and architects that came up that sat in on training where they're physically cutting wood, cutting 45s and explaining that process.
Right.
Well, that's great. So then outside of just the venue, just your time as president, what when you started and what you see towards the end of the year, what are some of the other changes outside of Build Pittsburgh?
Yeah, so the other big change that we're making this year, we are beefing up our Design Pittsburgh event in the fall, which is always our awards celebration, always our ability to celebrate good design in the region for the past year. But this year being the anniversary year, we are going to be promoting a Beaux-Arts ball. So we're changing venues for that also. We'll be at the Carnegie Museum of Art.
Awesome.
Incidentally, that institution's been around just as, they have been along as long as we have.
Okay.
Yeah, let me say that again. They have been around as long as we have, 125 years.
Awesome.
So it was an interesting little synergy there that they've been around in Pittsburgh as long as the AIA has been.
Yeah.
So we'll be having our celebration there. A little bit more of a formal gala than we've done in the past, and we're encouraging creativity.
Okay.
So if you can interpret that however you'd like.
I don't know what that means, but we're definitely in. And we are going to sponsor again as the People's Choice.
Right.
So we'll be there.
Okay.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Thank you so much for all the support.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
This was a phenomenal event, and looking forward to working with you guys in the future.
Thank you.